Welcome to the desert, explorers. Vroom, vroom! Look at our hard-working friends joining us today.
Wait, is that a giant yellow lemon on wheels? No, it's a backhoe!
They look so ready for adventure. Can you count all 3 vehicles with me? 1, 2, 3!
What?
Time for a challenge. We need to find the right attachments for these busy machines. Who goes where?
I think the shovel goes on the green tractor. Or maybe on the moon. Just kidding.
Haha! Nice try. Let's help them match the parts properly. Point to the screen if you see the right piece. Oh no, that piece is way too big for our little yellow tractor. Let's try again.
Maybe if I push it really, really hard. Click! Nope, still doesn't fit. It's like a puzzle mystery.
Look! The hard-working digger found its scoop. Click! It fits perfectly now. Great job!
No.
Wow! The green tractor is ready to plow. Everything is snapping into place like magic. Beep, beep! Boom! Fireworks for our amazing team! You all did such a fantastic job helping out today.
That was legendary. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun.
Welcome to our puzzle adventure. Look at that brave police car zooming along the hills. Vroom, vroom.
Whoa! A red one and a purple one appeared. Are they doing magic? Kapow!
We have 4 cars now. Can you help me count them? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh no, the colors don't match. That silly marker is confused. Boop!
Splendid! The markers found the right spots. Look at those happy colors shining bright.
Nope.
Try again, little marker. Sometimes it takes a few tries to get it just right. All the police cars are ready for duty. You are a puzzle superstar. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Are you ready to build some heavy-duty machines today?
Whoa! Watch out! Those pesky bombs are making our trucks go poof! Boom!
Don't worry, we can fix them. Let's put these pieces back together, team. Look at that shadow. Can you help me find the big wheels for our mighty dump truck?
Is it this triangle shape? Maybe it fits on the roof.
Not quite. That's for the roof. But let's save it. Try the round wheel piece instead. Click. Perfect fit. Now let's find the heavy cabin for our hard-working cement mixer.
I see it! It's right there on the left. Drag it over, quick! Vroom, vroom!
Great job! Let's count the wheels together. 1, 2, 3, 4. All set! Ta-da! Look at those fireworks! You did amazing, Puzzle Masters! See you next... Hey there, Puzzle Explorers! Ready to help our brave police friends catch a cheeky thief!
Oh no! He swiped the wheels. Quick, let's chase him down. Zoom, zoom!
Don't worry, we can fix these vehicles. Can you point to the missing siren on your screen?
Ready?
I think the siren goes on the bumper. Wait, no, that's silly, right?
Haha! Not quite! The siren sits right on top so everyone hears it coming. Click! Look at that shiny wheel snap into place. 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels ready to roll.
No! God!
Oops! The officer dropped his donut. Let's get that window fixed before he gets hungry again.
Great job matching those pieces, team. You're doing a fantastic job helping the police squad.
Meow, why is there a kitty in the police SUV? That's the cutest siren I've ever seen.
The cat is our special helper today. Keep tapping those parts. You're almost finished. The vehicles are fully repaired and looking brand new. Look, Mr. Bean is dancing.
Boom! Pop! Fireworks everywhere. You guys are the best mechanics in the whole world.
High five! You solved every puzzle today. See you next time for more fun adventures. Welcome to the construction zone. Hey everyone, can you wave hello to our big machine friends?
Check it out. Vroom vroom. Look at that shiny road roller, the big digger, and our heavy dump truck joining the party.
Oh no! Our poor road roller is in trouble. It's getting so hot. Quick, let's help out.
Is it time to eat the fire? Maybe the truck is just hungry for a snack.
No, silly. That's a fire, and we need to fix our friend. Let's play a shadow matching game to get these parts back in place. Look at these shapes. Can you find the piece that matches the digger's big arm? Point your finger right at the screen.
I think the square one goes on the tire. Wait, that's not right, is it?
Not quite. We need the round one for the wheel. Let's try again. You can do it. Click. Perfect fit. Our hardworking digger is looking strong again. Ting! Great job matching that bucket.
Boom! The road roller is smooth as silk now. You kids are absolute puzzle masters.
Keep going. We need to find the cab for our digger. Is it the triangle or the rectangle? Let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Found it! That piece fits like a glove. Our vehicle team is almost ready for the big job. Last one. The dump truck needs its bed to carry all that dirt. Can you spot where it goes?
Pop it in! Yay, everything is back together. Beep beep, the mighty truck is ready to roll.
Look at those fireworks! You did it! Thanks for helping our friends today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun adventures. See you next time! Welcome everyone. Get ready to rev your engines and play our Super Construction Challenge.
Whoa! Look at all those cool machines. I bet I can name them all. Watch me!
Clock is ticking, friends. Let's count down together. 3, 2, 1, go! Grab your virtual paintbrushes. Let's splash some bright colors on these heavy-duty machines.
Wait, why is that silly meme character dancing on the bulldozer? That's hilarious!
Meet our hardworking digger. See that giant bucket? It scoops up dirt like a hungry giant. Vroom, vroom! Watch how the digger fills up the mighty truck. Teamwork makes the dream work.
It's chaos in the paint shop. Can you spot which vehicle needs more blue paint?
This is a bulldozer. It has a giant metal blade in front to push big piles of rocks away.
Bulldozer.
Oh no, a funny face is blocking the screen. Quick, wiggle your fingers to clear the way.
Wheel loader.
That's our wheel loader. It uses those big tires to roll over bumpy ground and carry heavy loads.
Wheel loader.
Everything is turning rainbow colors. You guys are painting these vehicles perfectly.
Motor grader.
Beep, beep! The motor grader is here to smooth out the dirt road so everyone can drive safely.
Motor grader.
You did it, construction crew. You're all master builders. Give yourselves a huge round of applause. Vroom, vroom! Welcome, explorers! Can you spot our green car and yellow taxi cruising by the mountains?
Look, it's our hard-working digger and a big yellow dump truck ready for action.
Oh no! A stormy flash of lightning. Zap! Is our poor dump truck broken down? Don't worry, the kind crane truck is here to save the day. Watch it lift those heavy turbine parts.
I bet he's going to use his giant magnet to fix it. Wait, no, he's using that super strong hook.
Everything is fixed and clean. You did a great job helping today, team. See you next time, superstars. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Are you ready to match some brave police cars today?
Whoa, a magical fairy appeared. Did you see that sparkle, Jose?
Oh my! That fairy just sprinkled some magic dust and... Ooh, what a surprise!
Look at that silly baby. He's just as confused as I am about these mysterious silhouettes.
Let's count down together. 3, 2, 1. Slide that police car into place.
Uh-oh, the police car flipped. Maybe it tried to do a cartwheel. Haha. Nope.
Yes, you did it. That brave police car found its perfect home. Oh my God! Even the baby is giving us a big thumbs up. Great job, everyone. Musical finale! Thanks for helping our police friends today. Smash that subscribe button for more fun. Welcome, Puzzle Masters. Today we are playing with our super strong construction crew on the hopscotch court.
Whoa! Look at the digger, the dump truck, and the steamroller rolling in. Vroom, vroom, everyone!
Hey, where did that zoomy orange sports car come from? It's kicking up so much dust! Everything turned into shadows. Can you guess which vehicle belongs to which shape?
I'm going to put the wheels on the roof. That works, right?
Oh, silly! Wheels go at the bottom, not on the roof. Let's find the right spot together.
Good job.
Let's try to fit this big, heavy bucket onto the dump truck silhouette. Will it click? Let's see.
Nice. Good job.
Keep trying. Maybe rotate the piece just a little bit to the left. You've got this.
Amazing!
No, 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 no.
Click! It fits perfectly. Great job matching those pieces, team.
No! God!
Look at that dump truck glow. It's happy to be back in one piece and ready for work. We did it! All our construction friends are ready to go. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun! Vroom vroom! Look at those 3 monster bikes roaring across the bridge!
Whoa, where did they go? They've turned into mysterious shadows in the garage.
Hold on to your hats, everyone. It's a magical power-up sequence. Zap pow! Okay, team. These monster bikes need their wheels back. Can you spot the missing parts?
Is that a square wheel? No way, buddy. It has to be round to roll.
Amazing.
Great eye. Point to the screen and help us snap that gear into place. Click.
Oh, yeah!
One more wheel to go. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3.
Boom! The final piece is in. Look at those amazing monsters shine.
Yes!
Sitting in metal positions, can they bump up and take that lead away from Josh Sheehan? This is Rob Adelberg.
I just think when this run is all said and done, because Rob has a really good flow around the
Check
course.
out those fireworks. You did a fantastic job helping our bike friends get ready for the road.
Whoa, look at that real-life rider go. Those stunts are super high flying.
And watch out, he's also got that double backflip in his arsenal as well.
That was such one great trick.
And both of these guys are looking to do it right out of the gate. There's the double. So you're
Practice to come out with a front flip, right into a double backflip. You've got to calm yourself down.
But it was the 5-time best win gold medalist Jared McNeil that was on point from start to finish. And he comes out of this one as the top qualifier going into the medal round. Man of the hour in the last round, Jared McNeil. In the first round, he was on that top spot, but nobody was able to bounce.
You guys are absolute puzzle champions today. Thanks for playing, and we'll see you on the next big adventure. Bye-bye. Welcome, explorers. Today we're matching shadows of some really tough, super cool military machines.
I bet I can guess which shadow belongs to this big armored carrier. Is it the circle one?
Not quite silly. Look closer at the sharp corners. It has to fit perfectly like a puzzle piece.
Machine
Click.
guns and grenade launchers.
Vroom
enhancing
vroom.
its combat
Look at this
effectiveness.
rugged,
The
tracked
vehicle
robot
integrates
go.
advanced sensor and
It's
targeting
cruising through the
systems,
sand like a
ensuring
pro.
Whoa, it's like a little desert explorer. Can you wave hello to our metal friend?
Back to the puzzle. Can you spot the shadow for this heavy missile vehicle? Point your finger right at it.
Good job.
is the tracked unmanned
Look at that
combat
mud
ground
fly.
vehicle
This missile vehicle is built for the toughest training grounds. Boom!
Currently by Kalashnikov concern.
It's so strong, it even needs a big truck to help it travel long distances. What a mighty machine!
The complex consists of 4 unmanned ground vehicles.
Time for a challenge! Which shadow belongs to our 8-wheeled armored friend? 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh
An RS2 by How and How. And
Beep beep!
Ardeg is a
Our tracked
robotic
robot
weapon
is
station
spinning around the
ground
desert.
combat
It's
that
super
engages
fast,
the
isn't
enemy
it?
with lethal or less than lethal force in a safe, accurate fashion. The manufacturer
It's so
provided
agile.
such
It
basic
turns left,
characteristics
it
of a
turns right,
Scorpion
and it
RS2.
never gets stuck
Its
in the
maximum
sand.
speed is 14 miles per hour, 22 kilometers an hour. Robot autonomy up to 24 hours. Armament of the robotic
Ting! We found the match! The 8-wheeled carrier fits perfectly into its shadow. Great job, team!
The vehicle has a 60 miles, 100 kilometer range, and 72-hour endurance. The vehicle's JP8
Check out this
electric
6-wheeled
hybrid
robot.
powertrain
It's like a
provides
forest
both
ranger,
silent drive
exploring
and
deep in the
silent launch
trees.
capability. The ruggedness and simplicity of Hunter Wolf makes it very affordable. The system's modular architecture and full compliance with the Army's interoperability protocols makes the vehicle easy to upgrade, using a wide variety of mission kits, and keeps lifecycle costs low. The Hunter Wolf can carry a maximum
It's carrying supplies and testing its power. That's one hardworking machine doing important tasks. You solved all the puzzles like total pros. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more. Hello, puzzle explorers. Welcome to our big emergency rescue adventure.
Look at all those sirens! Is that a race car zooming by?
Actually, those are our brave community helpers. Can you point to the shiny red fire truck?
Oh no, look at those flames. The heroic fire trucks are rushing in to save the day. Woo!
They use powerful hoses to spray water. Let's count them together. 1, 2, splash! Phew, the forest is safe again. You guys are amazing helpers today. Now the forest needs a cleanup. Here comes the hardworking digger with its giant scoop.
I bet that bulldozer is going to eat those tree stumps for breakfast. Chomp chomp!
Exactly. It pushes the debris aside so the forest can grow back strong and healthy. Fantastic teamwork, everyone. You solved the puzzle and saved the forest. See you next time. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Vroom vroom. Today we are meeting our hardworking digger friends in the big city.
Whoa! Where did they go? Did they turn into presents? I think there's a puppy hiding one.
Look closely. Those are shadows of our construction crew, and even our puppy friend is here to help us solve the mystery. It is time to match. 3, 2, 1, go! Can you find the right home for these diggers?
3, 2, 1,
Pick up that yellow piece. Drag it right into the shadow. Click. Perfect fit.
Yay! Whoa!
Hey, I bet the pink one goes over here. Or maybe, wait, let me try this side.
Good job!
You are doing great. Keep sliding those pieces into place. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Oh my God!
Boom! You solved it! Look at those happy rats dancing to celebrate your amazing brain power. You're a puzzle. Welcome to the magical book of machines. Are you ready for an adventure?
Whoa! Check out these two big motor graders. They love to smooth out the bumpy roads.
Everything is turning to shadows. Can you help us put our heavy-duty friends back together?
I bet that giant blade goes on top. Wait, is that right?
Actually, those are the wheels. Let's slide them into place. Ready? 3, 2, 1, click.
3,
Vroom, vroom! You found the wheels!
go!
Look at them roll right into the silhouette. Now for the cabin. That's where the driver sits to steer our hard-working machine.
Amazing!
The sturdy frame is next. It holds everything together. Great job focusing, explorers!
The big blade. It's the final piece. Everyone say it with me. Ka-chunk!
They're finished! Look at those happy faces. You did an amazing job matching every single part. See you next time, road building heroes.
Yay!
Hello, puzzle explorers. Are you ready to help our heavy-duty friends find their missing shadows? Look at that snowy mountain. Can you point to the hard-working digger and the big loader?
Go!
3, 2, 1, go! Let's get these machines built, team.
Drag the cabin right into place. Clunk! That's it. Perfect fit.
Wait, is that the bucket? I think it goes on the roof. No, wait, that's silly, right?
Haha, not quite. Let's slide that bucket down to the arm where it belongs. Vroom! Now snap those tracks on at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4 tracks ready for action. Look at them glow! Our machines are powered up and ready for a snowy adventure.
Boom! Fireworks show! You did it! You absolute superstars!
Amazing work today, everyone. Give yourselves a huge high five and welcome explorers. We are on a super sunny adventure in the desert today. Ooh, look! Our hardworking construction friends are hiding in the shadows. Can you guess who they are?
Is it a giant sleepy turtle? Maybe a sandcastle builder?
Haha, not quite. That's a mighty wheel loader and a clever backhoe loader. Let's build them piece by piece. Quick, grab that big yellow bucket. Where does it fit? Click it right into place.
I found a wheel. It goes on the roof? Wait, that's wrong, right?
Silly! Wheels belong down low so they can roll. Let's put it on the axle. Vroom, vroom! Look at that arm move. Our backhoe is almost ready for some heavy lifting. Let's count the big tires together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Fantastic counting! Almost there. Just need the cab for the driver. Can you point to where it goes?
Beep, beep. The assembly is coming together perfectly. High five to all our builders.
Ta-da! They are finished and ready to work. You did an amazing job today, Super Builders. See you next time.